Video Builder creates 3D animated avatar videos. Our state-of-the-art lifelike text-to-speech engine lip-syncs your words with the avatar. Can be used to make videos from explainer to corporate to commercial or any other type of video. Video Builder is very powerful cloud-based app. Use it to inform an audience, explain a tool or service, or as a sales tool. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create your text either by writing it out, recording live, or uploading a voiceover. Step 2. Select an avatar from our library of about 30 characters. Step 3. Edit on the timeline video editor. Step 4. Render and download. Get Video Builder at www.videobuilder.vid-tools.com.